Welcome back, guys, to Rider 191, and I have got something totally crazy for you today. You're not going to believe what I just saw today. You remember that series Knight Rider and that car Kit? Well, guess what, guys? It suddenly became a reality. China actually did it. I'm surprised that they did it first. You know,
China.
but hey, this company called
Yangwang
Yep, you heard that right. Yangwang released a car called the U9. And this car is gonna blow you away. So let's have a look at that. But before we have a look at that, let's remind ourselves what Knight Rider used to look like. So let's have a look. Let's go back in the past and check it out. Yeah! Turbo boost! Yes! Oh man.
Did you see that?
I saw that. Now, what I want you guys to see is this. All right, let's go to this shit here. It's amazing. Okay, check this car out. Let's go.
Recently, Yangwang released a video showing the leaping function of Yangwang U9, a supercar with million-level pure electric performance. In the video, you can see that U9 shows its incredible leaping ability while driving, as if it came out of a game, which is very beautiful. The leaping function has been launched with the new OTA upgrade of U9. As a new era supercar, look at U9 to meet the needs of electric and intelligent
There you go. It's jumping over shit.
users. It will continue to develop through OTA upgrades, unlocking products by providing the car with better intelligent driving capabilities and a more human user interaction experience. Looking at
A more human user interaction experience. Now, if that doesn't sound like Knight Rider, I don't know what does.
Now I'm a mobile mailbox.
All right, Devin wants a visual on this. I'm activating a video camera. Now, you buzz me when he makes the drop, okay?
Despite what you may think, I'm perfectly capable of handling my responsibilities.
Boy, you're touchy. What'd you do? Wake up on the wrong side of the garage this morning?
Okay, so it drives itself, it talks to you, it jumps over stuff, so it's got the turbo boost mode. I think this car has like 1200 horsepower or something like that, so it's a hypercar. It's not indestructible, but hello, 2025, we're in the future, and Kit has just come to town.
unprecedented leaping function of U9, it is the first time that a mass-produced car has leaped forward. It is based on the innovative full active body control system of the industry leader Yangwang X.
Full active body control system. I have no idea what that means, but it sounds damn cool.
The leaping function allows the car to leap forward for a certain distance while driving. It can only be used in safe environments to prevent risks such as loss of life and property.
All right, so it can only be used in safe environments, which is also something like that Kit would advise.
He'll never make it past the curve. You have to slow down.
Whoa.
also adds a new racing mode drift function. This function is a professional intelligent support system specially designed for drift enthusiasts who pursue high-performance driving experience. Users can record their own drift results and drift data. This OTA upgrade of U9 not only increases the driving pleasure, but also provides users with a more intelligent, efficient, and safe driving experience. The newly added basement mode, clairvoyance function,
Basement mode and clairvoyance function.
Pick him up with your scanner.
They're out of range. I'm afraid we've lost them, Michael.
Them and 10 years off my life.
Did you guys hear that? Clairvoyance. That means it knows what's going to happen beforehand. This is totally like, you know, that defensive driving video I did. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. That's what I'm talking about. You got to be clairvoyant. You got to know what's going to happen before time. Well, apparently this car does. Hey man, this is some crazy ass shit.
Parking function and tire burst stability control function not only increase convenience but also enhance safety. Among them, the basement mode can raise the front wheels by 30 millimeters, helping users to pass through basements, bumpy roads, speed bumps and other high-rise sections calmly. The tire burst stability control function can improve the recognition and control of vehicle tire burst instability at high speeds, improve vehicle driving stability under tire burst conditions, and also ensure driving safety.
Wow. Hello. I want one. It's cool.
In terms of human-computer interaction, U9 has added new functions such as intelligent voice, intelligent question and answer for all scenarios, intelligent voice travel guide for all scenarios,
Intelligent voice and intelligent question and answer for all scenarios. So it's gonna tell you everything. Like, hi, do you think I'm gonna lose my house today because I haven't paid my bills? Yes, of course you're gonna lose your house. Oh my god, what is going on? It's got like ChatGPT 1,000,000.0 in there. What's going on? U9, huh?
intelligent voice travel guide for all scenarios, intelligent voice collection information broadcast for all scenarios,
Intelligent voice collection information system. Good grief, I don't even know what that means. I'm not going to attempt to try and decode that.
and intelligent voice vehicle encyclopedia for all scenarios.
Intelligent voice vehicle encyclopedia. Okay.
Further improving the intelligence level of the vehicle allows users to achieve a more comfortable and personalized driving experience. In addition, Yangwang U9 has also added a car and machine that flies external sound waves with light and shadow theme.
That flies external sound waves. Yeah, all sound waves fly externally according to me.
And shadow theme. The car machine flying
Light and shadow theme. This must have something to do with some kind of underglow lighting or something like that.
and shadow theme brings users more cool visual effects, while the external sound function can make the car make more dynamic sounds while driving.
Oh, I think I know what it's talking about. It's talking about like the exhaust sound because it's an electric, so all you would technically hear is nothing. But with this sound function, it probably has like interchangeable exhaust sounds, maybe inside the car and outside the car. Bit of fakery going on there, but who cares? It can jump. Like, it's literally jumping over shit. I can't believe it.
Passion and superiority to driving. Based on core technologies such as eCfang and U9X, U9 breaks the boundaries of traditional supercar track and street performance. It not only has superior controllability, but also takes into account daily driving comfort, bringing users a new perspective on supercars. Looking at the jumping...
Oh, so it's a supercar with daily driving functionality. I'm sure every supercar owner wants one. I'm telling you right now, they're already dialing that number. Like, I want it. I love my supercar, but it's uncomfortable. I need more comfort in my supercar.
Jumping in place, dancing with music, cradle mode.
No. Did it just say dancing with music? It didn't just say dancing with music, did it? Yeah, it did. It said dancing with music. Okay, so you got a supercar that you can talk to, that has an encyclopedic knowledge, that can jump over potholes. It has a basement mode that you can sort of get into your basement so that you don't scrape your bumper and things like that. It's comfortable. It can tell you the future. I mean, come on, guys. What is going on here? This is just insane. I mean, I'm just blown away. I really would like to test this car. I mean, I really would like to test it, you know?
Achieve. These are innovative human-vehicle interactions and enriched user experience.
Innovative human-vehicle interactions. I wonder what that's going to be like. I don't know what they're talking about there. Maybe it opens the door for you, or like says hello, or blinks, or who knows? Who knows what's going on here right now? I mean, anything's possible. I mean...
Kit? Kit, are you there?
Yes, Devon.
Ah, Kit, what's happening? I've been trying to reach Michael for over an hour.
Michael is indisposed.
Oh, that means he's either with the young lady or he's in jail.
No comment.
Literally anything's possible right now.
Based on product design considerations, U9 XS unique technical capabilities are reflected. Look at U9 not only as a million-level pure electric performance supercar, but also as a partner who can express your personality and satisfy a higher emotional value dimension. In the era of electrification and intelligence, super sports cars continue to develop, creating different experiences and entertainments in scenes with thousands of people.
I really don't know what to think or believe right now. We're not a car channel, we're a bike channel, and especially not with electric cars. I mean, not a big fan. Not a big fan of electric bikes either. But when you see something like this, that really makes me want one. I think it's about $210,000 or $215,000. I'm not really sure. You can check that up on their website. But guys, let me know what you thought about this. If you like me reacting to more car content and you want to see more very interesting car content like this, because I'm not really huge on cars. I drive just a very, very normal standard Volkswagen Passat, so I'm not a huge car guy. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Tell me in the comments if you want more content like this, and we would be happy to oblige. Thanks, and Rider91 out. Ciao.